I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make some sense of this Florida virtual school that is embedded inside of Schoology. So you've already seen that you can come into our course and you'll click on these first 2 weeks. Right here is the video that I'm recording right now. All of these rulers that you see here, these are Florida Virtual School lessons. Now you'll notice that not all of the ones that you would expect to be there are there. You have 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, and then it goes to 0.05 and 0.07. Sometimes the things they do in Florida are not things that we need here. That's the case with 0.04 and 0.06. So I want to make sure when you're going through Florida Virtual School that you see the things you need to see and you don't waste time on the things you don't need to see. So let's look at the first one. Here's things to know. Up here, these are Schoology buttons. Inside here, this is Florida Virtual School embedded inside. You also see here 0.01, things to know. Now this only has one page to it. You can click to the next lesson right here, or you can use this arrow to move on. But I want you to notice here that inside Schoology, I didn't go to the next thing yet. I'm just in Florida Virtual School, and now I'm at 0.02 right here, even though I didn't do it through Schoology. It'll make sense once you start clicking it yourself. So I could have also clicked next here, and now through Schoology, I went to the next step. In other words, I just moved here. The first time around, I managed to look at this even though I was still inside this one. Here's why that matters so much. I'm going to show you the third one. I'm in Lessons and Assessments. This has 2 pages. So I'm going to, of course, interact with all of this. I can click Next Page here, or I can click it up here. Either one is fine. But now, if I clicked in this Schoology one, it would take me straight to 0.05, and I wouldn't have seen this second page. So I'm going to pretend I read all this, click Next Page. Now I've seen 2 of 2. Here's where you need to watch out. If I click Next Lesson, or if I click the arrow over, I'm still inside Florida Virtual School. It took me to 0.04. But I don't want you to see 0.04. I don't want you to waste your time on that. That's specific to Florida. So what you're going to need to do each time, I'm going to take you back to the main folder, is you're going to click on whatever these are when you see a Florida Virtual School. We'll try Academic Integrity. You're going to interact with it, watch the videos, read the text, and it'll explain to you how to do all that. And you're going to make sure that you do all of the pages you see here by either clicking this button or the one at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to stop. Because if I click over here, it's going to take me to some stuff that's for Florida, but not for us here in Tennessee. What you'll do then is either click this next button to move to the next item that I have for you in Schoology, or you can go back to the folder and just look at the next item. That was a lot. I mean, we really have programs in programs in programs. As you play around with it, it'll make more sense to you, and you should get the same information about how to use Florida Virtual for all of your classes. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.